How to turn off Assistive Touch in your iPhone. If you want to turn off your Assistive Touch, then first of all, launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Accessibility option. Simply tap on that. From here, go to the touch. On the top, you will see Assistive Touch. Simply make sure that it is toggled off. Now scroll down to the last. There you will see back tap option. Tap on it and make sure both of them are set to none. Now, once you do that, you have successfully turned off Assistive Touch. In this way, you can easily turn off your Assistive Touch in your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.